Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have been missing in action from past few days because I was occupied in things in my personal life. There were a lot of things going on. Also, I was not feeling well for the past few days, so I thought to take a break. But today here I am back with another video. So title से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि what am I going to talk about in this video. So yes guys, so before starting with the video, I just wanted to tell you that whatever products I'm going to show you, they are not sponsored by anyone. So I have purchased this with my own money. I have been using these products from past few months, and based on that only I'll be giving my honest reviews today. So before going into the video, please do subscribe to my channel and support me, and also do hit that little red bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so in no particular order, okay, so I am going to show you the first product that's coming to my hand, which is the Body Shop. This is in their variant British Rose. Okay, it's an exfoliating gel body scrub. Okay, so now we all must be knowing that Body Shop has a lot of products, okay, in their skincare and body care range. Okay, and especially when it comes to bathing, they have like n number of products. Okay, so one of my favorite ranges from their skincare products is this British Rose. So see, so this is how it looks. It comes, this is a small tub that I got. It retails for 445 rupees. Okay, so this is how the scrub comes. This is how it looks. Okay, it has this gel like consistency. Okay, so guys, the main reason why I purchased this because of its fragrance. It smells amazing. Okay, and it gives that nice fresh scent of roses, and it's very refreshing, okay, and relaxing. That's the only reason I purchased this. See, every product has its own pros and cons. Okay, so I've already told why I purchased. But being a exfoliant, it does not scrub the body that well, because the scrub particles are very tiny, and they're not at all, and they're very smooth, I feel. Okay, so yeah, so it does not do the job of exfoliation that great, but it's okay, it's manageable. And I love this product because of its smell mostly. Okay, nice. Okay, so the next product that I have here is one of my most favorite products and my go-to products when it comes to scrubbing. Okay, this is by the brand Mom's Therapy. Okay, this is their coffee body scrub. This is how the packaging looks like. This is my second tub. Okay, and this is how the consistency looks like, something like this. Okay, and it's not completely powdery, it just sticks to the skin like this. Okay, and the particles are really of the exact size that it's required, and it scrubs the skin so well. Okay, I really love using this. If you would have seen in my previous video of, I think, pedicure, I have used the same body scrub. It scrubs so well, and yeah, I just love this product. And this is 50 grams of product, and it retails for around 325 rupees. Okay, affordable, nice product, and smells so good. Okay, if you're a coffee lover, definitely try this. Okay, so now when you are talking about coffee and its products, how can we miss out on this particular brand? Okay, so do pause this video and let me know in the comment section which brand I'm talking about. Okay, no cheating guys. Okay, so I'm talking about Mcaffeine. Okay, so this is their naked and raw coffee body scrub. Okay, so again, it comes in a small cute little package like this. It's a glass bottle. Okay, and this is 20 grams of the product. Okay, something like this, and this literally smells like the coffee powder. Okay, this is a pure oops, so this is a pure powder format like this. Okay, it doesn't have any gel like consistency or anything, but really nice. Okay, everything is perfect about it, but one thing that I wish there was a change in this was it is too rough for my skin. I personally feel that And but I have seen a lot of influencers raving about it on social media, so I thought to give it a try. But personally I feel it's a little rough for my skin because I already have dry skin and it makes the skin a little drying. Okay, but if you have oily skin and you want a nice good scrub, you can go for it definitely. Okay. Okay, so the next one that I have here is by the brand called Votre. This is how it looks. I hope I'm pronouncing the brand correctly. Okay, it's an advanced gel exfoliants, which is again so good. So this I got in a subscription bag. Okay, this is 30 grams of the product. Again, a really nice one with a gel like consistency. It's basically a jelly consistency. Look at this. Okay, this is how it looks. But oh my god, the smell is so good. Okay, so good. Okay, again, the con is that it does not scrub properly for me. It's very smooth on the skin. Okay, and but since I got it in subscription bag, and for a little bit for the face exfoliation I use it, and it's good because I don't want it to be too rough for my skin on the face. Okay, so it's good. You can definitely give it a retail for 290 rupees. Okay, but for the face I think it's good. Okay, sometimes I use it as a lip scrub also, which works great. Okay, but for body it might be a little smooth. Okay. Okay, so guys, we are all Indians, and when it comes to skincare, we don't just rely on these branded products. Our skincare usually involves a little bit of products which are gharelu products that we say. Okay, so which are very commonly found in our kitchen. So how can I miss on those? So I have included one product which I swear by. It's one of my most favorite products when it comes to exfoliation. Okay, so that is nothing but this. Okay, this is rice powder. Okay, so rice powder is one product which is excellent in exfoliating the skin. Okay, removing all the dead skin cells perfectly. Okay, so this I use, I think, around twice a week or maybe once a week depending. Okay, and yeah, it scrubs the skin so well. All the dead skin cells are removed, and I really love this product. Okay, I use it on my body, on my face also at times, and yeah, I do swear by this product. Okay. Okay, now the last product. Okay, so see, this product is by a brand which is homegrown brand. Okay, and the which is nothing but Patanjali's body ubtan. Okay, this is how it looks. It comes in this kind of a packaging. Okay, you can see what all ingredients they use. It's all depicted here. Okay, for me the product literally smells like that, jadi booty something, and but when I open the pack, it just gives a smell of, it just gives a kapoor fragrance. Okay, that camphor smell comes, it's dominating, so I really like that smell. So for me it's good. If you're a little, if it's too strong for you, then probably you can skip it, but scrub part, the exfoliation part, it's great. Okay, it's so good. I mean, like usually, so there's one con of rice powder is that it makes the skin dry. Okay, so if you already have dry skin, then maybe you should use it a little less. Okay, but body ubtan of Patanjali is very good. You can use it on a regular basis. It will not dry your skin, and you will feel good basically. Okay, so also it's very inexpensive, very affordable. It retails for just 60 rupees. Okay, that's it for today's video. Okay, I really hope you like this video, and if you like it, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, and do hit that little red bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, and also do let me know in the comment section which of these products are your favorite, or if you have used any of these products, then do let me know how did it work for you. Also want to tell you that I'm going to upload videos on my channel regularly from now on. Okay, if there is any kind of recommendation or any particular topic that you want me to make a video on, please do leave that suggestion in the comment section. Okay, I will definitely try to work on it. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Okay, I'll be back with more videos. Okay, till then, bye and take care.